Hey y'all, Alejandro Ibarra here, aka The Portrait Guy. Welcome back to my channel, Today I want to show you how to export your photos from Lightroom for Instagram. Best quality, best size, ready to go, honey. So let's just get right into it. So I have this picture, I'm happy with this picture, I've edited this picture, ready to go. So very simple, I'm gonna make sure I'm in the library module, and I'm gonna go to export here on the bottom left, okay? So that's one way of doing it. You could also go to File, Export if you want. So for now, let's just click on export. So here on the left are the presets, okay? So presets are settings that have been pre-made and saved. So you can just click on one that you've named a certain way and all those settings automatically apply. So here are ones that are made by Lightroom automatically, and then here's some by Google, I guess. I've never even seen that. And here are the user presets, which are the ones I've created and named, and you'll see here one says Insta. So these are the settings that are master for Instagram. So go ahead and take a picture, write it down, whatever you need. So here at the top, first is where you're gonna export those pictures to. Where are they gonna live? So it's one of the most important parts. I like to just leave them on my desktop. I usually export to my desktop only. Once I've transferred them to my phone, I delete that picture from the desktop. You can put it in a subfolder if you'd like, if your desktop is super messy, and name it, you know, whatever, if you want. So there's that. You can rename your picture if you want. If this is for a client, do it so it looks more professional. If this is for you, then you don't need to, because who cares? No one's gonna know. Here are your file settings, super important. So you wanna make sure it's a JPEG picture, and you wanna make sure, so here are the file settings, super important. You wanna make sure it's a JPEG file format, and you wanna make sure it's an sRGB file. We're not gonna get into why, but if you select the wrong one, your picture's color is gonna be messed up. It's gonna look a little bit green or just weird. So make sure it says sRGB, and make sure you limit the file size to 500 kilobytes. This is very important. A lot of people think that the bigger the image, the better the quality, the better it's gonna look on your website or Instagram or whatever. It's not, it's the opposite in a way almost, because it's gonna take longer to load. Plus, Instagram and Twitter and all these things have like a limit on the file size for that reason. You don't need it to be big. You just need to master the pixels and the resolution for any size. So leave it to 500. And here is where we resize those pixels. So you wanna make sure you select megapixels here and input 2.4 megapixels with a 72 pixels per inch. PPI or DPI for other things. Super key, okay? Otherwise, again, that file size is gonna increase and you don't need too many pixels per inch. It's gonna live on a phone or on a desktop, or even if you project it onto the wall, like it'll look great, even on a big old monitor. And hot tip, I like to, after export, show in Finder. That way automatically your image will pop up and you don't need to go looking for it on your desktop. If you have it on do nothing, it'll just export and then you have to like look for it. So click show in Finder, it's nice and easy. I'm gonna click on export, it'll do its thing. Look how fast that was because it's a smaller file. And here it is, Untitled 1. There we go. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe. I'm gonna do a bunch of tutorials like this, quick and to the point because nobody cares about anything else. And that's all, honey. Hi, it's me again. I noticed you didn't like the video or subscribe. Why is that? Oh, you're gonna subscribe now. Okay. Good.